Hi, everyone. Thanks for staying. I know everyone wants to go home. Me as well. I'm tired, too. Before I get into it, I just want to say that Trader X actually got contributed by Dove from Morgan Stanley and was worked on throughout the BMO hackathon 2 or 3 years ago. So to see it evolve to that level is like, just warms my heart, warms Dove's heart. And Dove flew here all the way from Israel, so like it's extra special even just having him in person. So I just had to get that out. Okay, so the importance of walking the talk. So what's worse than people that try to promote what they're doing without actually doing it? Basically nothing, right? So I thought I would walk you guys through our journey just for 2 seconds on why we lean into FDC3, right? Really, you've heard a lot about it today. There was the workshop, there's this, there's that, it's everywhere. And when you think about interoperability, it doesn't sound that hard. But back, before FDC3 was born, it was really difficult to do it. You had to write code, you needed the producer to do this, the consumer to do that, you needed to do two change releases, the whole bit, or potentially just publish that data into some bus and then pick it up there. It was just always complicated. With FDC3, it's been really an enabler for us to achieve, 3 of our biggest goals, which are time to market, keeping our burn rate flat or within reason, and, constantly focusing on improving our client experience. And so, what we've been able to do, it's really actually a big deal. We've been able to take 73 applications, FDC3 them, and integrate across all lines of business, and with internal apps and external apps, and then back out into internal apps again. So it's all bi-directional, and it's a way of working versus a way of thinking. We're really doing it. And with that, being able to create visuals across multiple lines of business seamlessly with one search or one click is a bit unheard of. And because we've had the strategy and we've gotten our data right and we've gotten our client experience right, doing all different types of analytics and AI is actually possible. And the big thing here to take away is that with Interop, it's honestly 50% faster minimum. And we've been able to free up resources to actually work on things that generate revenue instead of trying to integrate across the board. So 73 apps are FDC3'd across all of BMO, which I'm really proud of. So with that, how can you learn more about how to do this? Well, get certified. So we have a team of 16 people working on this. Within the 16 people, all of them will be certified by the end of October. I think we've got like 3 more to go, so we're almost there. The certification isn't easy. I'm just going to say that out loud. Like, you have to work for it. But it's really become a really good way for people to feel engaged and invested in. And on top of it, get the dev teams working the same way, right? So things come out the same way. And then you start, protecting you start protecting the bank or wherever you work by having, developers that you can move across projects easily because they're all working the same way. And if someone leaves, you have someone else that can pick up the slack. So conformance. So we talked a little bit about conformance and being, certified by FINOS for FDC3. So back in 2022, Interop.io was born, FDC3 Sale was born and became conformant. Then in 2023, Connectify and here, OpenFin became conformant. In 2024, another great contribution by Morgan Stanley, Compose UI, became conformant. And here, alias OpenFin, conformant. In 2024, Aladdin became conformant by BlackRock. Today, BMO is conformant, and I'm really proud of this because not only are we conformant for one application, but for the entire ecosystem. So every application, and I'm really proud of this. And I have to give a huge shout out to the head of my UI UX, Mike DiLorenzo, for getting this done. Couldn't be here today, but Just wanted to say that. So thanks, everyone.
Thank you.